Ah! I'm getting attacked! Ah! Hey! Oh! 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 Oh!
Ayaw pa sir.
Alright, so what's up with you? It is currently 11:45 p.m. I just started the vlog. Yeah. So basically what happened was this morning we walked over to Auntie Nene's house to have brunch there. And it's basically like a 3-minute walk away from this house. And yeah, we basically stayed the whole day there. I spent a lot of time editing. Look at what I'm looking at right now. Like, what? Like, what? Why? Stop it. Get away. Just chilled, relaxed, caught up with some family. It was fun to watch. Carla's family, Auntie Nene, Uncle Sid, Nice, Claire, Zoe. But it was nice to see them just like bond over simple things, just like folding clothes. So that was that was really interesting to watch. It was very. And stop kicking my tripod, you. I'm sorry. Interesting to watch them just like bond over folding clothes. I was kind of. Bonding over the most simple things. It was good. It's like, I think it's like the idea of family. It's really good. It was really cool. And after that, we played with their dog Sam. Really cool dog. Really fun. For dinner, we actually went to this place that my dad's friend owns. Right? What's the restaurant called again?
What?
What was the restaurant called?
District 11.
District 11. Oh yeah, District 11. It's really cool. They had darts there. The food was really good. Really good. Beef teriyaki rice bowl was bomb.
Grade 6. Grade 9.
I don't know what grade.
Grade 7 was the first person to do that.
Hey!
Grade 5.
Right hand. How do you think the food?
I didn't know the restaurant was participating in Hunger Games.
Yeah, District 2 was fun. It was fun. We played a lot of.
Did you say District 2?
I did say District 2. District 11. It was 2 lines. It looked like Roman numerals. Shut up, man. I'm trying to do this vlog.
Just said 11.
I know.
It was 11.
I know. It was 11. Did a lot of fun. Won a lot of dart games. You know, it's light work. It's what we do. Fun day overall, really simple day, nothing really happened too much. Yeah, this is probably gonna be a really short vlog. Yeah, everything was filmed with my phone because I didn't have my camera with me because I wasn't home the whole day. But yeah, again, got a lot of editing done, so more videos should be coming soon. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, do all that fancy stuff, and then deuces.
It's a bigger and better.
Damn.
Definitely bigger.
Hit me!
Let's go.
Oh my gosh! Bullseye!